The Jerusalem Center for Public Affairs is an independent research center, bringing together some of the best minds in political, strategic, diplomatic and legal arenas in Israel and abroad. The Jerusalem Center website offers more than 4,000 studies and articles by leading experts on Israeli security and diplomacy, as well as other issues in Jewish public affairs. We start with the experts. Here are just a few. We have websites in 5 languages: English, Hebrew, French, German and Arabic. Our most frequent studies appear in the Jerusalem Issue Briefs and Jerusalem Viewpoints series. Our Strategic Perspective series highlights research in greater depth. Our Global Law Forum studies focus on major topics in international law. Collections of our studies appear in our eBook library, offering 8 titles. Our studies feature specially designed security maps. The Jerusalem Center prepares the Daily Alert newsletter for Israel News, considered by insiders as the gold standard for information about Israeli security and diplomacy. Daily Alert has appeared Monday through Friday since 2002. The archives offer all back issues and a searchable database of over 40,000 articles. Our YouTube channel offers more than 200 videos. Some of our custom-made videos have gone viral. We also offer a wide range of presentations by leading experts. One section of our website focuses on anti-Semitism after the Holocaust. The Jewish Political Studies Review is a scholarly academic journal approaching its 25th year. All journal articles are available on JSTOR, the major digital library used by all leading American universities. The Daniel J. Elazar online library includes 240 articles by the founder of the Jerusalem Center, Professor Daniel Elazar. Our special collections include a set of scanned newspapers from the 1967 Six-Day War. They also include an online edition of the 6-volume historical reference work, Major Knesset Debates, 1948 to 1981. Another rare find are Robert Kennedy's 1948 reports from Palestine, when he was a young reporter for the Boston Post. We even offer Jewish environmental studies. To receive regular updates of new Jerusalem Center studies, you are welcome to join our Facebook and Twitter pages. Click here to subscribe to the Daily Alert and Jerusalem Issue Briefs. We thank you for taking the tour and hope you enjoy exploring our website.